Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Bluetooth settings and fix Bluetooth issues. Tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select system, then select reset options, then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then we need to tap on this reset settings button. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on this button, then again tap on reset settings button. Okay, done. Network settings have been reset. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. You can try this if you are not able to pair Bluetooth device with this mobile phone, or this mobile phone is not detecting the Bluetooth devices. In that case we can try this. Just reset this Bluetooth settings. Okay.